Welcome. Today we are going to do some tapping. So, tapping through acupressure points while calling on archangels to help us communicate clearly with others and to have the confidence to talk to people, whether it's talking to new people out and about, making new friends, maybe it's talking and presenting in front of others. This will be good for you either way, whether you're looking to boost your confidence and communicating with people just to make friends or boosting your confidence to communicate in your work environment, public speaking, any of that. All right. So, welcome and let's get started. So, you will follow me as I tap through the points and you will repeat after me as I talk. Okay. So, when I say something, you continue tapping and you repeat what I say. All right. Let's start with taking a deep breath, hands on your heart. And we're first going to call in our guardian angels. So you call in your personal guardian angel, and I'll call in my personal guardian angel to be here with us as we go through this tapping process. And you can say, I invite my guardian angel here with me now to protect me, to help me communicate with ease. All right, I'm going to start with the karate chop. So tapping on the side of the hand, repeat after me. Even though I'm feeling scared to use my voice, I'm scared to be myself in front of others, I love and accept myself. Even though I don't know what to say when I'm talking to new people, I get tongue tied, I love and accept myself. Even though I have a hard time presenting in front of a crowd, whether it's a small crowd or a big crowd, I love and accept myself. Even though I have a hard time making friends because I'm shy and I lack confidence, I love and accept myself. Now, I'm going to leave space here for you to add anything in. And as I'm going through what I'm saying, you can always change it to what feels better for you. Okay, so if there's anything else you want to say here, even though I feel this, I love and accept myself, go ahead and add that in. And we'll move to the head. We are going to call in Archangel Michael. So, calling in Archangel Michael to be here for protection. And I am releasing any connection to fear of speaking up. Archangel Michael, please help me release the fear I have of speaking my voice to others. On the inside of the eyebrow, I am releasing fear of talking to new people. Remember to repeat after me. I am releasing the fear of presenting in front of others. To the side of the eyebrow, side of the eye, I am asking Archangel Michael to please cut the cords, cut the cords to the fear of talking, cut the cords of fear that I have for making new friends. And I am cutting all cords to fears that are not allowing me to be myself, to be my true self. Move under the eye and the cheekbones. We are going to call in Archangel Gabrielle, the angel of communications. Calling in Archangel Gabrielle, please help me with clear communication. I am sharing my message with others with clarity and authenticity. Underneath the nose, when I talk to people, I talk with ease and confidence. When I talk to people, they like to listen. They like to be in my presence. Underneath the mouth on the chin, I'm asking Archangel Gabrielle to help me communicate clearly, to shine my light, and use my voice with integrity. Moving to the underneath the collarbones. Now we're going to call in Archangel Raguel, the archangel that helps us with friendships. Archangel Raguel, please help me speak to others and form aligned friendships. I am aligning with new people that get me, new people that enjoy me. I am speaking with ease and calling in new friends that feel good. On the side of the ribs, thank you, archangels, for helping me communicate clearly, release my fears about communicating with others. Thank you for helping me make new friends that align with me, that are kind to me, that I enjoy being with. Okay, we're gonna do the wrists together. I am grateful for all the new friends that are coming my way. I am grateful for my ability to communicate with confidence. I am grateful for the fears being released and having the courage to present in front of people. I am speaking clearly, confidently, and lovingly to people around me. Take a deep breath. Feel the angels surrounding you with love, maybe even giving you a little hug. Not a little hug, a big hug. Just bring them in, bring their love in. Feel their light around you. Thank you, angels, for being here with me today. I hope that was helpful. Now, with tapping, it's really important that you repeat it. That's when you get the most benefit. So, repeat this as needed, and I hope you have a great day.